Hi guys, today we're going to see if the old 9630 Steiner will start up. Been sitting all winter, so we'll see how easy. It usually starts pretty good, so we'll see how it starts. So, okay, we have I dug this out 20 years ago so my big 5000 series John Deere would fit in here in the winter. And so I have ramps here that I put down for the track to get the tractor out this way. It won't come out the side door, but everything else will come out the side. So my next step is to get this out of the way. So let's see if I remember how to get in here without clunking my head. There, now let's see if she'll see what happens. If even the battery's got juice in it or not. No. There we go. There we go. Looks like the battery might have juice in it. So let's see, guys. Okay guys, we're pulling the toys out. We're pulling them out, moving them around. All the toys from the barbecue. Okay, the salties come out. Now, I'll show you where we're at. We still got the narrow front, the butt buggy, the cat, the hot rod, and the Cub Cadet. So everything. Oh no, sorry, got missed too. We got the 68 and we got the 0 turn. So maybe today we'll get more of them. Have a great day.